Kakong Ida Shisha Nongrang IPS Director General of Police ka Meghalaya kalalong kakong san ka khandai tarik naitung kasngi penwa ya ka training passing out parade jong kishis pa sangut ki Pulit Kieng Atiar Armed Police Constables naktem perton Pulit 6th Meghalaya Police Battalion ka badon ha Umran Ribhoi District. Hakani kasngi passing out parade ladon rengkat ki he Pulit na Shillong na nongpo rengkat ki bahing hasam ban sakhi ya ka jingtebet jong kini kishis pa sangut ki Pulit na kani ka jaka hikai. Haka jingkran ka kong Ida Shisha nong rangkum ka klidu jong ka perton Pulit ka jela kala ai ki kentin kerkhu kerdo bat ken pha me kini ki Pulit bathamai ban 3 minute thop ya laki kamram na ka benta ka jingbet jingbiang jong ki pat ba ka jela kala ya ro ya baro ki shis pa sangut ki bala minute bat 3 shitom ban Pyndep ya baro ki kerdan bakila syahi kai hakini ki benaya balala kala ong Pi ki shis pa sangut pilong ka buram bat ka jing sarong jong ka sorkar bat jong ki pat ba ka Meghalaya pide banlong ka buram ya ka kenhun Pulit jong ka jela baro ka we ngapriang sngub haya pi baro shis pa sangut sya ka yeng ka sam jong ka kenhun Pulit jong ka jela dan napdeng jong pi ki balayo khusna kani ka de banlong ka jing kersia we ki we pat ban tre shitom bat ban ai tilot yala de ban Pyndep janai ya ki kamram bala ban shat ha ki terpeng jong pi ka laong kakong Ida Shisha kelas neng ya kini ki Pulit pathamai da ka baong Pyndep testa ya laki kamram long ki briu ki badon akor namar ki pai ba ka jala ki khmi lenti na way pa way na phi ban long ubriu ubadon buram bat uba Pyndep hok ya laki kamram kala penkut.
The Galatian car is driven by Commander Khubor from Shillong here. He counted before taking out her assignment in Ladies and gentlemen, each contingent will now be marching to the dais.
Followed by Pattern number 2, commanded by UPRC, luminous Marvin approaching the dais for giving just a move.
On Umran, the Ngut Constable, Shillong Umran, the Battalion Commander approaching the
with the strength of 26 personnel led by Pattern Commander Anam Branch, the responsible mid-channel vessels of Patna.
To address especially the ladies and gentlemen who are here, the families of all the recruit constables passing out today, and most importantly, the recruit constables who are here today. All 104 of you have done yourselves proud. As we stand here today, and after taking the oath to serve the Meghalaya Police, let me be the first to welcome you into the Meghalaya Police family. As you pass out today, you have before you an unblemished record. There are some amongst you who have won prizes. This should be taken as an inspiration and as an indication that you have many more prizes to win. For those who have not, rest assured that there will be umpteen opportunities for you to win prizes and laurels for the Meghalaya Police, for yourselves and for your country. I take this opportunity to congratulate the Armed Police Training Center and all the instructors who have obviously put in a lot of effort to ensure that these 104 constables and the 7 followers who are part of this parade today have done so exceedingly well. They are a reflection of all the hard work and dedication to duty that you as instructors have imparted into them. As stated by the Commandant in his report, a number of subjects have been touched upon, and you have been given opportunity to learn about various things. As you stepped out into regular duty henceforth, you will be called upon to utilize all those inputs that have been given to you. You will also find that a number of things are not exactly what they are taught you in the in the training center, you will also be faced with a number of choices. The only advice I can give you is that whatever choice you make, be sure that you can be, you take the choice that you can live with, a choice that will be reflective of the things, the instructions that have been given to you, and the priorities and the principles that you hold most dear. The challenges before the Meghalaya Police grow with each passing day. The challenges that you, especially as unarmed branch constables, will face even more. I'm glad to hear that we have so many graduates and postgraduates amongst this 104. It is a reflection of the times when we do not have graduates and postgraduates opting to become recruit constables of the Meghalaya Police. It is a reflection of the times also that with the passage of time, change happens, and these changes are welcomed. I would exhort all of the recruit constables here today, whatever your background, whatever your qualifications, you are now a part of these force. You are expected to be disciplined, and you have displayed that in the parade that you have this morning. I wish you all the very, very best, and I am sure that what the Commandant has said, that you will be a leading light in the Meghalaya Police in the years to come. Once again, thank you, and Jai Hind, Khubor.